Welcome back with Tom. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the bond, the farm bond. I'm gonna use the 36 diaper. This one I kinda use the size 4. It's little bigger, but you can use any kind of, any size of the diaper. And I have the 4 receiving blankets here. And then I'm gonna use the crab stick. This one came with the whole pack. It's like 150 in here, and we're gonna use rubber band, main park, and paper clip and tape. And then this one gonna use the foam board. I just used the 2 sheets of the foam board. Let's see how it started. First step, we're gonna make a box with the 1 sheet of foam board. Just look like this. Here we measuring is like 2 inch, and we cut through one side of foam board toward the end, just toward like this. And then we cut just corner. That's it, and we're gonna make like the box. Now we're gonna follow the line like this with the pen. Just measure real good. Just go like this. We can fold it. It's just like that. Yeah, after you measure it and you fold it corner like this with and you tape that with the big tape, gonna be look like this. Now I got a nice clean box just like this, and after that I'm gonna decorate with the paper tape around the outside. Now we're gonna have make a fan. I'm gonna use the craft stick with the hot glue. Just make a round.
Make it look like a picket fence, right, Tom?
Yeah, this is how we started. We glue the stick. We're gonna glue around the box, and then we're gonna glue the closets just like this. Yeah, so my fan is all finished. Now we're gonna move to the next step. Now we can make a bond, but we're gonna do the roof first. And I got the foam board. This thing is 8.5 inch by 16 inch. Every 4 inch we kind of marked it every 4, and then we cut in half the line here like that. So, and then we're gonna use the pen to measure it. Okay, next you just fold it like this and hot glue until it dry. Now 2 sides dry, and we're gonna hot glue in the middle, and we're gonna fold it again. Yes, my bond rope is done. Just look like this. Now we're gonna wrap the roof with the receiving blanket. Just gonna be look like this. We just fold the same thing, the roof. Now the bond roof is done, and I taped it around. Just make it look pretty. Now we're gonna make a bond. Just gonna look like this, but I'm gonna wrap with the receiving blanket with the bond down here. Now we're gonna use the 24 diapers, and we're gonna wrap with the receiving blanket and make the bond just like this. Now so on top of the bond I use the 14 of diaper. Actually I add 2 more. So I rolled it and wrap with the rubber band, and then we're gonna wrap with the receiving blanket. Now top of the bond is done. I clip with the paper clip on the east side. After that, just pick it up and put on top, and we look like this. You can use the paper clip, how it's clip each side like this on each side. Just make sure they stuck together. Now basic of the bond is pretty much done, and I use the last receiving blanket. Just make the walk pad just like this, and then you can add anything and stuff anymore, anything you want. Yes, my bond is pretty much done. last touch, I just put the stuffed animal in there, and I decided to put the baby bib. Just cover the diaper a little bit. It's gonna look like this, and then when you pick up, just make sure you hold in the like heavy side, just like this. It should be good. So it's done pretty much. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned. I'll see you next time.